Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can download text-to-speech audio from ElevenLabs, so please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. So first, log into your ElevenLabs, and what you will have to do is click text-to-speech, which is on the playground section. And next, once you're here, you will go to your My Audio, and then you will select the voice clip that you would want to download. So after that, what you will have to do is, of course, for example, we want to download this and we will add it to my voices, and you will just have to wait for it to load, and you will basically just have to click the download icon, which is right here. So make sure that it's already in your my voice so that you will be able to download it. So yeah, that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.